know what I love about Rustica? We have the most awesome group of artisans right here at our shop.
Yes, we
in
do.
Art City, Springville, Utah.
That's right.
Each one of them manufactures these products from raw material.
And they love doing it.
It's an amazing place to be.
So I'm Craig Plucker, I'm the Chief Operations Officer, so I oversee all of the manufacturing operations of the facility. A 50,000 square foot manufacturing plant that does custom barn doors, hardware, and unique products. So this isn't just your old school mom and pop shop, this is all high speed precision equipment. Each piece is one of a kind. I mean, we literally never build the same door twice because there's so many different options of size and color and style that each one has to be carefully handcrafted. The individuals out on the floor really care and have a passion and a love for what they do.